Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see my seamstress. I gave her some cloth to do for me and she's finished and I'm here to try it on. So guys, look at her beautiful self over there. She's shy, she doesn't want to be in the camera, she doesn't want to talk. So she basically, I gave her some clothes to sew for me. She does all my clothes, she does all my sewing. So I've got a bunch of stuff that she's done for me and I'm just here to collect it. And then after that I'm going to do a African haul for you guys, just to show you what she's done. And when I say she's good, I'm saying she is good. So when I do that haul for you guys, you're gonna see how good she is. So yeah, it's a bunch of stuff coming out, so you're gonna see. So this like some stuff that she's done. It's a huge bag. So I'll try it on and then you guys can see the styles and everything. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, another episode of Moi. Hope you guys are doing great. As I promised last week, this is a video of just some materials that I had done, kind of like a African cloth haul that I wanted to show you. You guys don't want to skip. You want to watch this thing throughout the whole, there's a surprise for you at the end. So yeah, basically I got this cloth from Woodine and I didn't know what to do with it. So I just told my seamstress, you know what, do something with this. And when she started, we had to, I found a style that I wanted her to do. So this basically, you could wear this anywhere, and yeah, you have to wear a vest underneath. And there's very different dimensions to it. You can wear it in any different way. Am I even making sense? I don't know. But yeah, there's different ways of wearing this style. I don't know why we came up with that. I don't know, but it's pretty easy. It's kind of like a maxi dress with a split. Guys, I'm not even talking right. Like a split or something on, kind of like at the front. And then it's basically like a skirt. And then you have like two flappy things to just like move around your body. And, I'm sure you can be creative. So let me know your feedback, what you think, if you love it, if you dislike it, just let me know. Let me know. So I'm here with my seamstress. I've come to see my seamstress. She is dope. So guys, the reason why I've come back to my seamstress is because I needed to, try the clothes on to see if it still fits or if it still needs kind of altering and stuff. Just a little something. There are some really great tailors and seamstresses, but unfortunately, there are also not so good ones. For example, I've had to go through a lot of seamstresses to get a really, really good one. They messed up my clothes. It's a long story, but yeah. When you buying fabric and showing a tailor a picture of a dress ripped from a magazine usually doesn't translate. You know what I mean? So there is a reason that a dress or an outfit costs more than you are willing to pay. So you are paying for the hours of time, the hours of work, the multiple kind of fittings, the precision of the cut that goes into it. So there's a lot that goes into, making something. So guys, this is a very basic, simple outfit that you can do. The material is like a foam sponging kind of material. This is the cloth that is in right now that everybody's sewing. I just made a simple skirt and a top. The top you can see is a boob tube kind of top, very simple. You can wear it on top of jeans. The skirt, you can always wear a different kind of top to go with it. So yeah, it's super simple. So guys, the next outfit is another simple outfit. As you can see, the skirt is just a normal fabric. The top is like a silky, satiny kind of cloth. I love it. You can wear it with jeans or something else underneath. The arms are kind of like a bouffant, big, puffy, kind of, whatever. I love orange because I like bright colors. Guys, this dress right here is very, very, very simple dress. You could wear it to church, to brunch, to hang out. It's pretty simple. As you can see, the arms are very flappy, roomy, and very free. The dress itself has a lot of room. You could use it as a maternity dress. Yeah, there's a lot of room. There's a belt that came with it that I forgot to put on for you guys. But yeah, it's just a very, very simple dress to rock. Guys, you know what? I should have just let my seamstress do the voiceover for me because I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm just making it up as I go along. But anywho, this beautiful kente dress right here, guys, I don't have a backside. Posterior, ass, all those names, all those things, whatever. I do not have a butt. So my seamstress has a way of trying to, add in a little dimension to make it pop out a little bit more.
Yeah, I like slow motion. I say, is that not the way to work? Have you done me some?
This beautiful, colorful outfit is from Woodine. I got it from the store. Wait for it. Shazam! It's a very colorful, beautiful, simple, casual outfit. I got the colors individually from the store, red, yellow, green, and then we just decided to add the star to it to add a little dimension. Yeah! So guys, this beautiful, beautiful material, I have to say, is my favorite. Or should I say one of my favorite. This material is beautiful. The detail is amazing. And I'm so glad that I chose this style because the style is dope. I love it. Even the seamstress wanted to sew one for herself. But yeah, it's a very, very beautiful, beautiful style. And yeah. I also wanted to quickly share with you some of the accessories that I got made with the fabrics and prints. There's this small, shoulder bags that you can wear with your outfits. You can also get, I got like a bag that is kind of in the shape of Africa. I haven't used it yet, but that's another dope kind of accessory that you can use. And then they do like sandals for kids, sandals for adults. They do bracelets and things. They do a bunch of other stuff. They do bigger bags as well. So yeah, there's a variety of stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Wow.